Welcome to this demonstration of ReceiptBot, the system that saves you time and money by automating the data input side to accounting. It accurately extracts data from receipts or invoices and bank or credit card statements. You can also use it to store any other relevant company information, for example, HMRC and Companies House documentation. It captures the information in one of three ways. Using the ReceiptBot app, you can take a picture which will automatically be sent to your ReceiptBot account. You can email documents direct to your account, or you can scan the information in. When you log into ReceiptBot, you will initially see this screen called the Entity Dashboard, which gives you an overview of the documents you've uploaded and how these documents have been categorized and processed. Across the top, you can see the different categories: invoices and receipts, bank and credit card statements, and other documents. In the bottom right-hand corner, you will see all the key information and dates for this entity, along with a document inbox address. There is also a graph showing you the monthly expenses by supplier. On the left-hand side of the screen is the main navigation panel, enabling you to access the different key areas of the system. At the top, you have a scroll down option to list all of your clients. And at the bottom of this are some key data sets where information which is imported from the entity's accounting software is displayed by supplier, accounting category, or payment method. We will now look at reviewing and approving invoices and receipts, where you can see everything that has been processed by ReceiptBot. The system has extracted data such as vendor name, bill date, due date, and amount, and will automatically assign a category based on vendor, type of goods, or the industry that you work in. It will also assign a payment method if it recognizes the relevant information, e.g. the last four digits of a credit card from the receipt. On this screen, you can easily change the category or payment method using the drop-down menu. Then using the tick box at the left-hand side of each invoice, you can approve invoices en masse. If you need to review and edit further information on an invoice or receipt, just click on the Edit button, which is this pencil, where you will see what was imported and can edit any detail. And then approve it. Once you reviewed and approved all your invoices for this client, you then go to Export, and then using the tick box down the left-hand side, you'll be able to export everything into the integrated account system. Next, we have bank and card statements. In this section are all the uploads from your client's paper bank and credit card statements. And again, in order to review an individual statement, and here we only have one, you just click on the edit icon, where you will see the complete statement ready to export to the accounting system. Lastly, we have the other documents, which is where anything other than a receipt, invoice or statement will be stored. ReceiptBot will recognize this, convert documents to a searchable format, and assign tags for easy searching in future. Here you can store important accounting and tax related documents. In order to search these in the future and look for a specific document, simply enter a keyword. Let's do HMRC in the search box, and the system will list all the documents with the relevant tag. The remaining key functionalities of ReceiptBot can be accessed via the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. The first of these is the Practice Management Dashboard. This is where the full list of your clients, termed entities in ReceiptBot, are displayed, and here you are given an overview with key information on all of them, listed by entity name, and type, whether they are VAT registered, what accounting software they use. You can also see how many documents are currently in process or being processed, and when the last document was uploaded, which will enable you to chase up the information from your clients. Finally, you can see the next deadline, date and type for each entity. Down the left-hand side, you have three further options where you can access a list of all your client entities showing all the key dates for each entity. You can also look at which of your staff are working on which of your clients. Lastly, you can list the details of your practice, where you can upload your practice or business logo, and this then will appear against all your client entities when they are using ReceiptBot. The other options available under the gear icon are the entity profile. So this is where one specific client's key information is stored. Add new entity, which is obviously where you put in all the details of your next client. User profile. This is where you manage the user profiles. Subscription and billing. This shows your usage and billing status with ReceiptBot, and this will depend on the specific client that you're in at any particular stage. So in this case, it's Demo ReceiptBot Company. But if we went into a different client, subscription and billing information will be different. And lastly, we have entity users, which is where you define who within your client's organization can use ReceiptBot and what level of access they have. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demonstration, and I hope you found it informative. You can sign up and start a free trial on ReceiptBot immediately with full support from the live chat line. In the final beta testing stage that we are, your feedback will help us to deliver the ReceiptBot that meets all your and your clients' needs. We look forward to working with you. Thank you.